Are you ready to discover the step-by-step process of how to make money online as a virtual assistant and unleash your potential to take control of your financial future? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey. Don't just get excited now. We're about to reveal the secrets to becoming a successful virtual assistant, so let's get started. Step 1. Identify your skills and services. Did you know that your unique set of skills can be your ticket to success in the virtual assistant world? Let's uncover your hidden talents and discover the services you can offer to clients. Take inventory of your skills and determine which services you can offer as a virtual assistant. Are you proficient in administrative tasks, social media management, graphic design, or content writing? Knowing your strengths will help you target the right clients. Step 2. Define your target market. But wait, how do you ensure you're attracting the right clients? Let me show you the secrets to narrowing down your target market and finding the perfect fit for your virtual assistant services. Determine your ideal client base. If you are interested in working with entrepreneurs, small businesses, or specific industries, narrow down to your target market so you can tailor your services and marketing efforts more effectively. Step 3. Set up your online presence. Your online presence is crucial in today's digital age. Get ready to create a stunning website or portfolio that will act as your virtual storefront and showcase your skills and experience, enticing clients to choose you over the competition. Include a compelling bio, list of services, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Step 4. Determine your pricing structure. Pricing can be a tricky part of the virtual assistant journey. Fear not. Let me guide you through the process of setting competitive rates that reflect your value and expertise. Research industry rates and set competitive pricing for your services. Consider factors such as your experience, the complexity of tasks, and the value you provide to clients. Start with a pricing model that aligns with your skills and gradually increase rates as you gain more experience. Step 5. Market your services. Are you ready to put your marketing skills to the test? Let me share these powerful strategies to showcase your expertise on social media platforms, attracting clients like never before. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to attract clients. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram to showcase your expertise. Join relevant online communities, engage in conversations, and offer helpful insights to build credibility. Step 6. Network and collaborate. It is said, your network is your net worth, and I couldn't agree more. Discover the secrets of building meaningful connections and explore collaboration opportunities that can skyrocket your success. Connect with other professionals in your industry and explore collaboration opportunities. Join virtual assistant networks, attend industry conferences or webinars, and build relationships with potential clients and fellow virtual assistants. Step 7. Deliver exceptional service. Exceptional service is the key to building a strong reputation. Let me reveal the tried and true techniques to keep your clients happy and coming back for more. Focus on providing outstanding service to your clients. Communicate effectively, meet deadlines, and exceed expectations. Happy clients are more likely to recommend you to others and become repeat customers. Step 8. Continual learning and professional growth. In the ever-evolving virtual world, continuous learning is essential. Get ready to invest in your professional development, unlocking new opportunities for growth and success. Stay updated on industry trends, tools, and techniques. Invest in your professional development by taking courses, attending workshops, or joining mastermind groups. The more you grow, the more value you can provide to your clients. Step 9. Scale your business. Do you dream of expanding your virtual assistant empire? Let me show you how to scale your business by leveraging subcontractors and expanding your range of services. As your virtual assistant business grows, consider hiring subcontractors or expanding your service offerings. This allows you to take on more clients and projects while maintaining the quality of your work. Step 10. Stay consistent and adapt. The virtual assistant landscape is constantly changing. Let me equip you with the tools to stay consistent, adapt to new challenges, and thrive in the ever-evolving virtual work environment. That's it. Just maintain consistency in your work and marketing efforts. Adapt to the changing needs of your clients and the evolving virtual work landscape. By staying proactive and flexible, you can thrive in the virtual assistant industry. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to make money online as a virtual assistant. The world is yours for the taking. Embrace the virtual work lifestyle, unlock the freedom and flexibility you desire, and build the life of your dreams. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, professionalism, and a commitment to continuous improvement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Share this video with anyone who wants to explore the world of virtual assistants. Thanks for watching, and get ready for more exciting videos coming your way.